Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to make a kill brick. To make a kill brick, you need to understand how a character works. A humanoid carries all the values of a character. Values like health. So if we add a script to a part, I made this one off camera. Then when the script's parent is touched, we will learn about function later. Then we put hit in the function. Hit is a variable and you can name it anything. It is basically the part that hit the kill brick. Then we check if the hit's parent has a humanoid, because if we hit the leg then the parent will be the character and the humanoid is inside the character. Find first child checks if there is something with the provided name inside the part. In this case we check if humanoid is in script.parent. If it is not, then it will be nil. So we check if it is not equal to nil. This means not equal to. So then we set the humanoid's health to 0. Please subscribe so I can continue this series. So let's test it. As you can see, I die when I hit it.